Are you looking for the best way to grow your wealth without taking huge risks? Have you been hearing a lot of mutual fund SIPs but wondering if there is something better out there? Sure, there are a lot of alternatives. Gold, fixed deposit, real estate, all of these have been a go-to investments for generations. But are they giving you the returns you need in today's fast-paced financial world? Can they offer the same flexibility and growth that the mutual fund SIPs do? Take gold for example. Imagine you had invested 1 lakh rupees in gold 13 years ago in 2011. By 2024, that investment would have grown to 2,73,000 rupees, an absolute return of 174% and a CAGR of 8%. Sounds great, right? But let's compare that with a Nifty index. The same 1 lakh rupees investment made in 2011 would be worth rupees 6,24,000 today. That's an astounding 524% absolute return with a CAGR of 15%. That's over 5,24,000 rupees in profit just from index alone. And remember, this is the performance of the index passive investing. Actively managed funds could have potentially given even higher returns over the same period. And here is where the power of mutual fund SIPs truly shines. And what about real estate? A great asset, no doubt. But is it liquid? When you need cash in hand, real estate typically requires a large lump sum investment, or worse, you might have to take on a loan, leaving you burdened with EMIs for years. Can you handle that kind of financial pressure? On top of that, selling real estate can take time, which doesn't always help when you need immediate liquidity. Next, fixed deposits. Reliable, but is the interest really keeping up with the inflation? With rising costs, the low interest rates often erode your purchasing power over time. This is where mutual fund SIPs or systematic investment plans in mutual funds stands apart. They are not just about investing in the stock market. They are about regular investment. Mutual fund SIPs let you ride out market volatility while benefiting from rupees cost averaging. Over time, this can lead to solid returns. And the best part, you don't need to time the market. So while alternatives like gold or real estate have their merits, are they as convenient or low maintenance as mutual fund SIPs? Can they offer you the same long-term growth with such little effort? In fact, mutual fund SIPs have been one of the most recommended strategies by financial experts for a reason. Whether you are new to investing or a seasoned pro, mutual fund SIPs are designed to work for everyone. So before you consider other options, ask yourself, why not go for the best mutual fund SIP? Thanks for watching. If you find this information helpful, don't forget to like and share and subscribe for more financial insights.